Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app and go to General, AirPlay, and Continuity. Tap Automatically AirPlay and choose either Ask or Automatic. If it's set to Never, your iPhone won't automatically detect or connect to AirPlay-compatible devices for screen mirroring. Next, make sure your iPhone and the TV or other AirPlay-compatible device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring only works when both devices are on the same network. Now, open the Control Center. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. On older iPhones with a Home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Tap the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Your iPhone will begin searching for nearby AirPlay-compatible devices. When your TV or other device appears in the list, tap it to connect. Once connected, your iPhone screen will be mirrored to the selected device. If your device doesn't appear, double-check that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and that AirPlay is enabled on the receiving device before trying again. So that's basically how you can turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks!